using AI to drive innovation. They're not limited by legacy systems or traditional thinking. They're free to experiment, explore, and push the boundaries of what's possible. This spirit of innovation is attracting top talent. Bright, ambitious engineers and developers are drawn to these dynamic environments. They want to be part of something groundbreaking, where their ideas can make a real difference. Section 4. Real-world triumphs. When David takes down Goliath. The impact is already being felt. Small engineering firms using AI are reporting impressive growth and success. They're winning contracts, attracting investment, and gaining recognition for their innovative work. Consider the case of a small firm specializing in predictive maintenance. Using AI, they developed a system that analyzes sensor data from industrial equipment. This allows them to predict and prevent breakdowns before they occur, saving companies millions in downtime and repair costs. Another example is a small firm that created an AI-powered platform for optimizing traffic flow in cities. Their system analyzes real-time data from traffic cameras and sensors to adjust traffic signals dynamically, reducing congestion and improving air quality. These stories are becoming increasingly common. They demonstrate that small firms are not just surviving in the age of AI, they're thriving. They're proving that with the right tools and mindset, David can still outmaneuver Goliath. Section 5. A future forged in algorithms. Why small firms are here to stay. The rise of AI is reshaping the engineering landscape, and small firms are at the forefront of this revolution. Their agility, innovation, and ability to leverage AI effectively give them a distinct advantage in today's rapidly evolving world. This is not a temporary trend, it's a fundamental shift in the balance of power. As AI technology continues to advance, the opportunities for small firms will only grow. They are well positioned to become the leaders and innovators of tomorrow. The message is clear. The future belongs to the agile, the innovative, and the data-driven. And in the world of engineering, that future is being built by small firms with big ideas. The giants may still loom large, but the ground beneath them is shifting. And on that shifting ground, David is finding his footing, ready to rewrite the rules of the game.